Hey guys, Jim the Stargazer here again with another video. So yeah, I'm out here with my Lincoln again. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I've been messing with my Lincoln and trying out different speakers for it. And we found out that you have to match the impedance for them, otherwise it throws off a whole bunch of issues. So I went ahead in the last video, I put the 5x7 JL Audio. And it's been a few weeks now, and yeah, after the break-in they've been great, so I went ahead and got a second pair. I'm gonna throw these in the back doors, replace the back doors, the original 6x8s, and I'm going to put them in just like these guys here. Oh, this is on there pretty good. Usually I'll take it off by hand. There it comes. Just like this, I'm gonna put them in. And hopefully there's no issues with them. So like I said, when we were putting the kappas in, infinity kappas, they're 3 ohms. So when you put them in there, the audio controller was sensing the current change. So it was giving all kinds of test sounds and then putting the fake engine noise through the speakers. So yeah, hopefully these are work out just like the fronts. So yeah, so stay tuned guys. I'm just gonna throw them in. I already did the install video. This is more of an informative video, just to put them in, show them in, and then you know, make sure that they work for you guys also if you have a Lincoln with a THX system, so that way you guys know before you start tinkering with it if they're gonna work. So yeah, so stay tuned. I'll be back. Oh, one quick thing guys I wanted to show you before I rip it open. So Crutchfield, I'm ordering these from Crutchfield, and what they're doing is they're sending in the harness. So if you guys are wondering what harness to use, this is a 2015 Lincoln MKS. So the harness should be the same from a 2009 up to 2016. It's the same, basically the same setup, same system, THX system. So if you guys are looking to change your speakers, the harness is the one that they're giving is this Metra. It's called Metra 725601 speaker harness fits forward. So yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys so you guys know which one to get. Unless you go through Crutchfield, they're giving it to you for free, which is pretty cool. But unless you find a deal somewhere else like Amazon or something, you have to order this separately, the harness, because you don't want to cut it. I cut the wire like an idiot. I should have just got the harness. I was being impatient, and then I had to put it back. You know, I had to go find an original receiver or male wire for it. So yeah, so let me go ahead and put the speakers in. Thanks guys. Just for informative, some more information. So the rear speakers have the crossover built in. So it takes in the wire, the signal, it puts it through the crossover, and then it sends it back out to speakers in the door. So the JL Audios have a tweeter already, and there is no other harness that was given from JL Audio. I'm sure there probably might be another harness you can get if you want to continue using this tweeter, but the problem is you would have to get a crossover, you know, which you could if you get a component system. I was looking at some JL Audio, also they have a component system, but the frequency went down to only 53 hertz, and I wanted that full cross capability, so at 40 hertz. So that means that 50 hertz will be a solid output as it starts to roll off to 40 hertz and then roll off down, so it won't be flat all the way. But if I would have got 50 hertz, then it would have started to roll off at 60 hertz and then start rolling off at 50. So I would have lost, you know, you lose 10 hertz in there, and I don't want to do that. So these are really good with mid bass, so you definitely want to keep it. But yeah, so if you want to continue using the tweeters, then you can just get a component system, or you can order the little crossovers. They sell them separately, and look for the harness for those, because you're going to have to you're gonna have to go into that harness, and then you're gonna have to come off the harness into the crossover, from the crossover, I'm saying. So yeah, so it might be a little complicated. I'm not doing it, otherwise I would show you guys that I would do it and show you, but at least that's my take on it. You're gonna have to get a crossover if you want to continue using these tweeters. But the JL Audio tweeters should be much better than those. So I would assume you just want to use the JL Audio tweeters. The front is different. The front, like I said, it's in the pillars, the tweeters. So these are completely different. They're up here, they're up here, and then this whole piece comes off. You can replace the tweeters here, and then you don't have to worry about it. But the rears, it's built into the speaker. So yeah, just thought I could show you guys this piece as we're going along, because I know a lot of people would love to know about it. So all right, let's get back to installation. All right guys, yeah, I just want to show you the harness again. So this is the harness. Like I said, they give you a no-brainer on this. It's a small and large connection, which fits in the JL Audio large connection. The small and large connection, so that's super easy. So yeah, so it looks like it's gonna go in this guy here. This one? Oh no, not that one. It's gonna go in this one. Yeah. Yep, fits right in. Yeah, I like the fact that Crutchfield gave it to you, so take the guesswork out. Yeah, so this is a harness. Just want to show you guys, because this is really important for the harness, to get the right harness on there, you know, and then it plugs right into the JL Audio right here. So okay, let me continue. Okay guys, so I just installed that speaker. I mean, I didn't install it fully, I just plugged it in, and I just came to start the car to make sure, and it's not making any noises. So yeah, so that's good. We're not making any noises. Like I said, when we were putting in the Infinity, it was making test tones. So when you start the car and you shut the doors, it would make test tones because it's testing the speaker, because it senses the current change. And when I left the fronts out and left the rears in, it was putting the engine noise through the system. And I'm not talking about like electrical noise, I'm talking about the fake engine noise. So it was like giving you that full fake engine noise. So it was tripping something in the audio controller. So the ACM audio control module. So it looks like it's okay. So yeah, it looks like it's a 4 ohm. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in, put the other one in, and then we'll do some testing on it just to see how it sounds. It's gonna take a little while to break in, so it won't sound the best today, but it'll still increase the output. So it should. Hey guys, so yeah, so it's been about a week now. So it's about a week since I put the speakers in. So I'll give you guys the update now. Also, yeah, these JL Audio now they've been breaking in. Yeah, they're awesome, guys. I'm telling you. Now, I mean, I had a 15-inch Alpine Type R in my other Lincoln. Yeah, I mean, it rocked. It feels like that. I mean, the 15, it has more, of course, but with these 4 JL Audio 5x7s, yeah, it rocks the car. I mean, it incredibly. Okay, so yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, the JL Audio are awesome. If you guys want to change them in the Lincoln, you can use the JL Audios. They're 4 ohm. It's matching. It's not giving any engine noise, like I said, fake engine noise. It does make a slight hum, very, very, very faintly in the beginning. It does that anyways. It's a fake engine noise. But you don't hear it. It's like very faint. I hear it because I hear everything, but it's very faint. But if you guys want to get some kick out of your Lincoln with the THX, go ahead and get the JL Audios. The car is completely different. The tweeters aren't as good though. I'll say that it's better for the lows, but the Infinity Kappa tweeters are much better. The dynamic and the range is better on the Kappas than the JL Audios on this. But for the bass and the mids, it's incredible, guys. You would get them all day long. I would buy more. I was gonna get the sub, like I said, I was gonna put the sub in here, but then take all this apart and put the sub in here. It's got all these speakers. But yeah, you don't need to. If you put in the 5x7s, 2 5x7s was enough. Add 4. I put 4 in there now. Yeah, it's great. I mean, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick quick tone video for you guys and show you the excursion on them, so that way you can actually see them moving and actually performing. I found some royalty music, so give me a minute while I set up the camera so you guys can see the speakers in action. So as you guys can see, that speaker's got some nice excursion going on. Those 5x7s hit like something else. I can't believe how hard they hit for being a 5x7 and not even a 6x9. 6x9s hit pretty hard. If you have two good 6x9s mounted with a full amp, with the right amp, I mean, it'll sound like 12. You have 12-inch subwoofers in your car. But I'm surprised how good these 50 RMS 5x7 sound. So yeah, they're really good, guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thought I'd give an update on the install and performance, and especially since I'm doing my MKS THX sound. I know other people will be wanting to upgrade their speakers, and they're always scared to do it, but you guys can do it with the JL Audios. Like I said, there's a better pair of JL Audios you can get for this with the Silk Dome tweeters, which would be like the Infinity Kappas, but the frequency range starts in the 53 hertz range. I wanted lower, starting at the 40 hertz. I wanted lower than that, like a sub, but you won't get that from a 5x7, a door speaker. So if you guys don't care about the full low range, you can get the little bit better quality ones that JL Audio has. Their component, even so, for the front door, the tweeter won't even be there. It'll be just a woofer, so it'll be better quality sound. So you guys can get that one. I just wanted the lower frequency, 40 hertz. That's why I got these. So just so you guys know. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, go ahead and do me a favor and click the like button on the video, and the subscribe button. Can get my channel, keep it rolling. To you guys watching for my jet ski videos, so finally gonna get the jet ski back. Tampa Power Sports, horrible place. I took it over to this new one, Rockstar of Brandon. It used to be Barney's, but it's actually in Tampa. But the guys found the issue already. It looks like something went through my wear ring and my carbon seal, and that's why it just started taking on water. So Tampa Power Sports couldn't even diagnose that. They're telling me that they got to wait for a water tank. So they're replacing the ring, and then they're going to go take it out to the bay, and they're going to run a quick test to make sure there's no leak. Going to get it back so we can make some more fun videos, over here in Tampa and on the Atlantic side. So thanks guys, thanks for watching the video. Have a good one.